seating area in the lower right corner by repeating the menus in a circular manner around the corner of the seating area, then adjusting them to the area and deleting the corners. Then, go to the shading elements from design to corner, distribute them according to each zone, and place them in the seating area in the upper right corner. Then move to the barbecue area on the right side and place shading elements for it. A table is also prepared for the furniture elements, describing the dimensions, height, materials, and numbers of the furniture, and sometimes the suppliers of these types of furniture.